Achieving Your Dreams, Part 1, The Ultimate Guide to Goal Setting. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to deep dive into the art of setting goals. Just imagine living a life that is perfectly aligned with your dreams. In this video, we will guide you through the necessary steps to turn that dream into a reality. So let's get started. First, understand the importance of goals. So what exactly is a goal? Well, it's a statement that represents the desired outcome we want to achieve within a specific time frame. In simpler terms, it's like having a dream with a deadline. But why are goals so important? The answer is quite simple. They provide us with a sense of purpose in life and, more importantly, they give us the direction we need to take. When we set goals for ourselves, we give ourselves a target to strive for. This leads to a more structured and purposeful life. In fact, having a goal is the very first step towards gaining an edge and turning our dreams into reality. In today's fast-paced world, setting goals has become a necessity. Having clear goals not only increases our motivation, but it also creates a sense of duty towards our desires and dreams. Additionally, it allows us to track our progress and provides us with clarity when it comes to setting priorities. So let's embrace the power of goals and start setting them for ourselves. They will not only give us a sense of purpose, but they will also guide us towards a more fulfilling and successful life. Second, identify your goals. To set a goal, start by defining your destination. Take out a pen and paper and write down what you want to achieve. Goals can be categorized as short-term or long-term, personal or professional. You can also have social, financial, or academic goals. Now, let's take a closer look at these different types of goals. Short-term goals. These can be achieved quickly, typically within a few days, weeks, or months. Long-term goals. These require a more extended period to accomplish, usually spanning several months or years. Personal goals. These relate to an individual's personal life, such as health, relationships, or habit forming. Professional goals. These relate to an individual's career, such as promotions, improving performance, and skill development. Educational goals. These relate to an individual's education, such as obtaining a degree, improving grades, or for someone who has completed their studies already, learning a new skill, or upgrading their subject knowledge. Financial goals. These relate to an individual's finances, such as saving for a house, paying off debt, or investing for the future. Social goals. These relate to an individual's social life, such as improving one's social presence and improving people relations. When setting goals, it's important to choose ones that are meaningful to you and will bring you a sense of pride once you achieve them. Take some time to really think about what you want your life to look like. Don't worry or feel anxious about how you will achieve these goals right now. The path to achieving your goals will become clear to you in due time. For now, focus on identifying what your heart truly desires and make a note of it. One effective method for identifying goals is using the S.M.A.R.T technique. And that's what we'll be discussing next. 3. Setting goals using the S.M.A.R.T technique. S.M.A.R.T is a well-established tool that you can use to plan and achieve your goals. When you use S.M.A.R.T, you can create clear, attainable, and meaningful goals, and develop the motivation, action plan, and support needed to achieve them. S.M.A.R.T goals stand for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's take a closer look at these. Specific. Your goal should be clear and specific, otherwise, you won't be able to focus your efforts or feel truly motivated to achieve it. A specific goal answers questions like, what do I want to accomplish? What steps need to be taken to achieve it? Measurable. It's important to track your progress. Assessing progress helps you to stay focused, meet your deadlines, and feel the excitement of getting closer to achieving your goal. A measurable goal addresses questions like, how much? How will I know when it is accomplished? Achievable. Do a reality check. Do you have the resources and time needed to achieve the goal? Yes, it should stretch your abilities, but still remain possible. An achievable goal answers questions like, how can I accomplish this goal? How realistic is the goal, based on other constraints? Relevant. Here's where you need to think about the big picture. Why are you setting the goal that you're setting? Ensuring that your goal matters to you and also is relevant to your other life goals. A relevant goal should answer yes to these questions. Does this seem worthwhile? Is this the right time? Time-bound. Every goal needs a target date, so that you have a deadline to focus on and something to work toward. Your timeline should also be realistic and allow you plenty of opportunities to make adjustments to your goal regarding its relevance, specificity, and achievability. A time-bound goal should answer these questions. When? What can I do today, tomorrow, next week, next month? Defining these parameters helps ensure that your goals are achieved within a certain time frame. Now write your goals based on the S.M.A.R.T technique. Writing your goals down makes them more tangible and seem more real and achievable. And there you have it, 3 steps for setting a goal. By following these steps, you will be able to visualize your future and establish a clear path towards success and achieving your dreams. Now that you have set your goals, it's time to make sure you achieve them. Setting a goal is just the beginning, but your journey starts now. The great news is that by having a goal to work towards, you are already on the path to success. The key is to plan and execute those plans to ensure your goals are met within your desired timeline. In our next video, we will delve into these topics in detail. But for now, get busy and start contemplating what your heart truly desires. Write it down and follow the steps discussed in this video to come up with a definite goal that you want to pursue. And don't forget to watch our next video, where we will discuss a foolproof method to achieve your goals. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more empowering content. Thank you for joining us today, and meet you in the next one.